Interesting. I didn't know UNATCO handled the Ambrosia distribution. I'm getting the impression that UNATCO is focused more on military operations than law enforcement. Manderley will be the Supreme Enlightened, the Illuminated one.
Oh, it's beautiful.
I have some bad news. I guess that means I don't get the op bonus.
Hot as hell in these masks.
Another peacekeeping occupation?
30 credits says I get him.
Possible contact here.
As long as they don't break the law.
Careful. These UNATCO guys got all the tricks.
I'm getting bored up here.
Come on, then.
Now we will see who is made of steel.
Fascist. This posting sucks.
Holy!
I spill my drink.
Guess you guys found each other.
We're busted. Company.
We've got a perimeter breach.
Somebody got wasted.
Your brother Paul has gotten our troops into another mess.
He's just a punk. I'll take care of it.
Goddamn terrorist.
Hotel Echo Lima Alpha.
I'm starving. Do you have anything to eat?
You don't look that bad. Tell me what you know about the NSF.
Go to hell.
We are thinking the same thought.
Leave me alone.
Maybe you should think about going back to school.
They're gonna kick your ass.
Sure.
Denton!
Reed, he's in here!
Get out of there.
Who is there? Well, well.
Got a man down here. Gonna get this pig.
A bomb. Maybe I'll cap his ass too.
Jesus Christ, Denton.
How did you know?
Just like the movies.
Another $50 billion down the drain.
All right, let's do this.
Don't get squeamish.
Oh, you bad. Never should have met.
Here I go. Like Billy the Kid, man. We're outlaws.
So you think you know better than FEMA what to do with this month's Ambrosia shipment?
It's on its way back to the people, and you can't do a damn thing about it.
All right, let's go.
They found us.
Let's get the hell out of here.
I ain't going back to jail.
See you later.
Son of a...
On second thought, maybe I'll go somewhere else.
Hey, stop right there. Get a squad in here. Goddamn terrorist. That's the one. Okay, drop him. Aim for the head.
I will deal with this.
Guess I must be old news.
This is highly irregular.
Another easy kill.
Critical damage.
Mission complete.
You're a complete jackass.
We can say what we like in the paperwork.
Yeah, he's not going to be a problem anymore.
Jesus Christ, didn't you hear me? I ordered the militia to stand down.
Out of explosives? Here's some more.
JC, you've got to believe me. UNATCO takes payoffs.
Sounding the alarm.
Silhouette, the other terrorist groups, they're our allies. Just get your ass on the plane.